Alright guys, so like I said, today we're going to be installing our Proline bumper. In the bag you're going to get the Proline bumper, the LED cover, and the screws for it. Everything that assembles to the original Xmaxx bumper as far as the bracket will remain the same. So just pull out your handy dandy Traxxas toolkit. We're going to start by removing the two front bumper mount bolts. So any of you guys use this Traxxas toolkit? Or do you have your own? I recently found a Klein tool set they sell, Klein tools for electricians. And that one's got some pretty decent tips. I know MIP is everybody's preference. I've had a lot of MIP bits break on me or round out just as much as Harbor Freight, so maybe I just use them poorly, I guess. Alright, so the trick here, guys, is to remove the two front ones and then remove the two bottom ones to actually take the whole bumper off. Don't try to pry the bumper forward to remove the two inner screws, or go take your tires off for no reason. I have a little LED bar here. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to keep it or not with this new bumper. We're going to find out if we're going to be able to make that happen or not. I need to take it off. The wires are always so big. All right, so that's the first destruction part you're going to do there. Then you can keep those bolts there so you don't lose them. You're going to remove this bottom bracket here from the original stock bumper. Okay. One, two screws. Let me keep these all together. Okay, and then you can put the stock bumper away. This is going to mount directly where you just took off. I'm going to try to finagle away to keep my LED bar, which is only partially working. By the way, you can get the 4-inch LED bar that from Proline that goes in here that fits perfectly. They're a bit pricey for me. That's why I chose not to go with it. But to each their own. It looks like I don't believe it, mate. Might be able to salvage these suckers if I just drill 2 holes, and they're going to have to be, let's mark these guys out, practically right next to where Alright guys, let's get our Handy dandy drill bit. Let's get our first step in there from the step bit. That's perfect. Clean it up by going to the other side. Okay. I'm gonna do the same. Okay. Clean it up. Okay. Alright guys, that was the my modification tip. Alright, it looks like we may have accomplished something here. I'm not sure how it's gonna work or look. But you know what? At least it's better than getting rid of it, right? Oh shit. So it looks like I effed up the measurement by a lot. But it also looks like it's just gonna fit. So wow. Look at that, the LED bar fit right in the center. Pretty good. All right. Now for the placement, I recommend you get your bottom ones in first. Okay, so remember the order we took them out in. So we get the bottom ones on first. It's just coming to life, guys. It's just coming to life. Right before our very eyes. Okay, and then now your final two screws that go right through here that attach to your bumper support mount. This is what's going to bring the whole bumper in. Okay. Good. That one, that one's good. Good. And good. All right, that's it. So if you don't have a light bar, it does come with this piece. You break off these little 3D printed whatever. Anyways, comes with a little bag of screws. It says Proline right on it. This also gives you an idea what size light bar you would like or have or need to purchase in case you wanted to do an aftermarket and not purchase Prolines. But I must tell you, Prolines is bright as heck. So that may be an option for you. I luckily had an existing Xmaxx LED light that I made work for me. Yeah, guys, that's it. That's the Xmaxx front bumper exchanged to the Raptor. Let's slap the shell on there so we can see what the final product looks like. And there you have it. All right, let me switch that over. There you go. Xmaxx Ford Raptor bumper with LED lights. Yeah, guys, so that was the install. It's fairly easy. Does not take much time at all. Bumper wasn't very expensive. It is a little bit larger than your stock bumper, so durability is a preference, actually, I would say. A lot of people have complaints about the bumper. They prefer the stock Traxxas plastic. However, I do enjoy the Proline and the products it developed. So there it is, installation of the Xmaxx Proline front bumper. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, keep doing that RC thing.